Namaskar to all of you. I Sarpanch Pooja Devi, Panchayat Matloa B, Block Chenani. Respected all elder and smaller party workers and my dear brothers and sisters. I am newly member in your party. I had your blessing and your cooperation. Then our all party workers worked here for the progressive growth of every panchayat and ready for success. It does will continue to do. My priority of prefaces for all poor families, poor persons, for females, women, student and fourth class employees, daily wages and modern facility in every panchayat, as modern school, modern primary health center, modern roads, modern hygiene everywhere. My dear brothers and sisters, you know better, you are well aware from me that it was said by the Home Ministry that in every panchayat will be given 5 jobs in panchayat level, but almost 3 years have passed, yet not a single opportunity have been made at the panchayat level. Only elections, sometime election of panch, sometime election of sarpanch, and sometime election of BDC, and against started election of DDC. I think that we all consider the center of elections. Accountants were also not kept at the panchayat level, but could be more possible. I will make every effort to reach out to Delhi and work on this subject. My second preference. There should be open Anganwadi center in every ward of 22 panchayat, a Salai center in every panchayat level, so that the village girls endure widows and develop skills. And tractor road for every 10 or 20 houses in every panchayat. Open every panchayat one bank branch compulsory. Open there should be an animal husbandry between the middle of 2 or 3 panchayat. My third preference is there should be a modern facility provided in every school. Computer education will be compulsory in every school. LCD facility provided in every school. School teachers should be engaged in any work without teaching. One teacher at a panchayat should be awarded as a best teacher in every year. Electricity and clear tap water connection in every house. One ration depot on every 100 or 150 ration cards compulsory. Advanced transport facilities should be ensured in every village or panchayat level. BPL facility should be ensured for every poor families in every 22 panchayat. Every poor families should be registered in PMAY scheme. In this 22 panchayat, it is also my goal to think every religious place with tourism. Open the Navodaya branch at Gadiyan Kalan urgently. We request to take care the religious place in my 22 panchayat. Every government institution there fulfill the vacant post urgently. The poor people have been hurt through the Roshni Act. Helping them solve their problems remain any priority. Asha workers should be appointed in every panchayat in every ward to help the poor families by putting them in poor girls survey. Every widow and old age poor gets the benefits of pension scheme. The rest, I pray to God that there should never be any hurtful incident in my constituency. If any such incident happens by chance, my all PRI workers are also will continue to work as a DDC anyway. If any panch, sarpanch and other person understand my need, then I will be ready at that time. Every work will be done with the help of PRI members and every human beings, keeping a close watch and with the consent of all of them. I hopefully thank you all. Please make me successfully through vote and support. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.